Getting your share, understanding, piece of the action. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have heard in movies, TV shows, or even in everyday conversations. Piece of the action. This phrase is a gem in the English language, often used in various contexts. Our goal today is to unpack its meaning, usage, and share some examples to help you understand how you can use it in your own conversations. Let's get started. At its core, piece of the action refers to a share or part of the benefits from an activity or venture. It's often used to express a desire to be included in the profits, advantages, or excitement of a situation. The phrase can be applied in both literal and metaphorical senses, ranging from business deals to participating in exciting activities. Understanding this phrase is key to grasping the nuances of English expressions related to sharing benefits or experiences. While the exact origins of piece of the action are a bit murky, it's widely believed to have gained popularity through its use in business and gambling contexts. Over time, it has permeated various aspects of language, illustrating its versatility. It's important to know the context when this phrase is used, as it can determine its exact meaning. For example, in a business meeting, it might refer to a share of profits, whereas in a social setting, it could mean participating in an exciting event. Let's look at some examples to see how piece of the action can be used in everyday English. In a business context, they started a new tech startup, and I want a piece of the action since it looks promising. In social situations, there's a big concert happening this weekend, and I definitely want a piece of the action. In competitive settings, when he saw how much fun the game was, he wanted his piece of the action too. These examples show that the phrase can be adapted to various situations, making it a useful expression in your English language toolkit. And there you have it, a closer look at the phrase, piece of the action. We hope this exploration has helped you understand how to use this expression in different contexts and has added another layer to your English language skills. Remember, language is all about expression and connection, and phrases like these are keys to unlocking richer, more engaging conversations. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. See you in the next video.